Straight into the restaurant. Danong's just a short jot up from Hoi An, and right into some cuisine we've already tried a few times. We're always the only tourists when we're eating this stuff. They are basically spring rolls that you do yourself with rice paper. I'll go ahead and show you guys, and it is some of the most delicious food we've had a few times, and this is another local spot just in a different city. Got a bit of a peanut sauce here. We've got some vegetables, some more vegetables, some greens. These are going to be my first time trying these rolled up, but and then there's also the pork that you roll in these rice papers, and we're going to give it a go. We're going to take some of these, some sour melon and carrots, some greens, some lettuce, and I'm probably just gonna throw one of these in. It looks like we've got some pork or beef and shrimp. We'll just throw one of these suckers in too. I don't know how to get these off the stick. I've actually not had the sticks yet. I've just had loose meat. Roll this up. Oh, I might need 2 papers. This is the most stuffed I've ever stuffed one, so I don't know how it's gonna go down. It's a different sauce. This one is a peanut sauce, and we're gonna try her out. It's pretty good. The meal was pretty good. We didn't order anything. They just brought shit straight out, assuming we were both eating meat. So I tried to handle the business. Couldn't necessarily get her done just because there was so much food. It was a good meal. We're here at the Big C. Got the gun lock for the helmets. And this is Gina's favorite grocery store.
It's a little different here.
It is a little bit different here. They don't have the delicioso donuts that they had in Thailand. But we're just gonna check it out because we were gonna go to the night market. We're probably gonna do that tomorrow. We're just unprepared. We didn't bring the bike lock. It looked hectic. We want to be in the right mind frame as well. So we're just stopping at the Big C to kill some daylight, really, because we want to see all the bridges. There's some beautiful bridges here. We want to see them all lit up. Get some good footage of them. Taking all the beautiful lights. So we're just killing some time. Gonna get a few snacks and stuff. And I'll show you around Big C. FC buffet. Just gave the backpack away to the locker area. I hate doing it, but I have to. I'm bouncing into Big C.
Some fruit.
Yes, let's get more mangoes. The mangoes we've had here have been killer pretty much every time. Actually, every time. Let's get some mangoes. Put what you want in the bag. Bring it over to the lady over here. And throws a stamp on it. We've been getting 2 mangoes for about 35, 38 dong, which is however much I link it up here. 33, 5.8. Been dying to try one of these suckers, the green ones. Oh, should I do it though? Should I do it? It's called Cafe. That must be a coffee flavor. Should I get that? It's only $1. I'm gonna get one of these. We don't know for sure, but we had these delicious desserts. It's like coconut, bean paste.
Hello.
We don't know if these are actually it because they're in different packages in the other city. We're gonna try these out. There's no way. They don't have Saigon. I don't want to settle for tiger again. Alright, well, it's not the end of the world because this is a Hoi An beer. I guess I could give her a go. I'll try these out. These chips go hard. I don't think we have these in the States. I could be wrong. But these chips go so hard, especially with a few beers. It's like the perfect drinking snack. Gina just pointed out the big boy bag. Going for it. How much are the groceries?
$2.25, so about $10.
A whole boatload of unnecessary snacks, beverages. Cost us around $10. I think we've definitely killed enough time to go see all the bridges lit up, so that's our next move. So I'm eager to get a drone shot of the Dragon Bridge here. It's really cool, especially at night, because the colors change. It's really cool. But there's a significant wind just barreling down the Delta Channel right now. And I just I don't know if it's worth launching. Got these cool boats too. For tonight at least, we're gonna ride over to one of the paralleling bridges just to get some shots with the camera here. The lights are out, so I don't think any camera angle would do it justice right now. I think we're just gonna head back to the hotel, eat us some snacks, and watch a movie. Adios. Good morning. We are out on a little ride on this peninsula here that just goes out from Da Nang, and it just rides along the coastline. And then we'll be riding the ridge line up there. It's called Monkey Pass. We're just going for a little sightseeing ride this morning before it gets too hot. I mean, it's already 90 degrees at 7:30 a.m., but it does get hotter. But this is our view so far right now. And we are actually only 10 minutes into this ride, and it already looks like that. So I just thought I'd stop, do a little filming. We're gonna move on and just keep finding cool spots to stop. So I'm cruising along real slow. There's no traffic on the road. Smooth road, and I'm keeping my eye out for these rare monkeys. I think I read 1,300 of them on this peninsula. This peninsula is basically a nature reserve, so I'm just keeping my eye out for those suckers. They're really cool. Their coats are all weird colors. It's awesome. So we basically just rode like the coastal route, and we're gonna hop on and up the ridgeline here on what is called Monkey Pass, and hopefully we can see these rare monkeys here. Still cruising along. This jungle is so lush. So many trees. I don't know how we'd spot anything. Freaking badass view. We pulled over on this little pole out here. We got a few pictures with the island in the background. The jungle out there. We found a fella right here. Oh my God. Look at him. Oh my God, that was so cool. I don't know if he's angry that we're here. That was awesome. That was so badass. That was amazing. We've already run out of gas. So our buddy who sold us this bike said we can get 300 out of a tank. We first ran out of gas at 232 and we just ran out of gas at 188. So now we're on reserve. He says we can go 50 on reserve, which means probably 10. We're at the top of this hill. We just saw our first monkey. I'm just gonna keep going because it's all downhill if we do run out of gas, and I saw gas at the bottom of the hill. So if we run out, we're just coasting it down. I gotta see more monkeys. What do you think?
That was a cool one.
That was awesome. We're going to this lookout point. It looks pretty sick already, and we're not to the top yet. And I think they're selling gas by the liter down there in like a 1 liter jug. So I think if we buy one of those, we can continue without being worried and not have to end our ride short. Because I would have just gone back the other direction with stuff we've already seen when we can go this way and see all of that stuff back there. We're going to the top and I'll show you what's up there. Well, I think we're calling it up here. We just got some cool shots. I think we're gonna put the camera away, grab some gas down there, and just cruise the rest of this cool little road and try to scout some more monkeys. All right, well, we had a pretty successful little nature excursion this morning. We're gonna get a coffee, go rest until this evening. I think that I'm gonna call it for the video because my video's been way too long, so I'm just gonna split Da Nang in 2 parts. This cafe is pretty cool. We're gonna get a coffee and I'm gonna call it quits here. Subscribe and watch more videos. Thank you.